Morning, welcome to another episode of CC Top Solutions. Today, we're going to Dyno Day. 2 small block Fords, one 289 base, 347 stroker for my dad's 66 Mustang. The other, 408 stroker, 351 Windsor base for my girlfriend's 1970 Cougar. You guys might remember this, about 2 years ago, I had a catastrophic flex plate failure that wedged the torque converter between the transmission and engine and just destroyed everything. You really can't do any more damage to a car without crashing it into a tree or off a cliff. But Dyno Day should be a blast. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I hope you enjoy the video.
Well, Dyno Day was a total success and a lot of fun. If anyone's curious where the engines were built in Dyno, it's at Mahler Engines in Philadelphia, just outside near where the airport is. We're going to continue making additional videos. They're going to deliver that engine tomorrow, so I'm going to start work on the installation of the engine and the Tremec TKS 5-speed into the 1970 Cougar. I'm also working on the revival of my 65 Mustang. Now, I'm a huge cooling fan kind of guy, and the Cougar fan, well, that got destroyed, and the Mustang fan was the original stock one. So look at these junkyard units. There's a video that will be coming out shortly where I build an air compressor using Harbor Freight parts and a little Predator engine, and that compressor is what I use to sandblast these. It is awesome. I highly recommend it. You should enjoy that video as well. But my point here is, just because this video is over doesn't mean the fun has to end. Keep coming back for more. Have a great one.